Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae artist Tana and the legendary reggae icon Freddie McGregor were the headliners at the third staging of an Evening of Excellence. The concert was held on the lawns of the Shortwood Teachers College on Saturday evening and was aimed at raising funds to upgrade the dormitory facilities at the institution. Despite audio glitches, the strong one Etana managed to give patrons a remarkable performance, singing songs like I Rise, Roots, Free, People Talk, and her breakout hit Wrong Address.
We don't want no trouble. We don't want no trouble, no. Yeah, Lady, where you come from? People lie there every day.
Fresh off her 32-stop tour, Etana was pleased to be back in Jamaica to perform for her fans.
It's amazing. Any kind of support that I could ever give a teacher, I'm always happy and excited and willing to do it. And I want to do it again next year. And I'm doing what I love and sharing positive energy with people from all over the world now. That's amazing.
Hailing from Shortwood community, Freddie McGregor had patrons on their feet jamming on the lawn as he delivered hits after hits from his extensive catalogue.
So many people wanna see me. Tell them Shortwood people, but that's the way to love. That's how I feel in my heart. Tell you so, let him try.
Let him try.
Let him try.
Let him try.
Go Freddie Go is the latest track released by the reggae icon. The video was recently dropped for the single, which was released back in January.
It's the title track from my new album, which will be released next year, February. And so the single is getting rave reviews. It has been #1 in South Florida for 5 weeks. We just knocked Shaggy and Sting off the #1 slot. So with the release of the video, we're hoping it will stay there.
Freddie McGregor is gearing up to embark on his 2018 Go Freddie Go Summer Tour.
And that tour takes us until the end of September into November. It's a long one, but it is to promote the single, Go Freddie Go, and True to My Roots.
Dancehall artist Munga Honorable appeared in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court today. Munga, who is being represented by Christopher Townsend, is charged for the murder of Cleveland Smith, who was shot and killed on February 12 last year. According to the police reports, Smith left his Moonlight Drive address in St. Andrew on his green Rambo pedal cycle to attend a session. It is alleged that he was accosted by a group of men, one of whom was armed with a gun. Smith was shot after an altercation ensued between the men and himself. He was then rushed to the Kingston Public Hospital where he was pronounced dead. Munga Honorable was granted bail on June 23 last year in the sum of $500,000 after appearing in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court in Halfway Tree. Reggae artist Kabaka Pyramid revealed the artwork for his debut album titled Contraband. The cover is designed by Kadir Maharaj. The artwork definitely defines the enlightening messages Kabaka looks to send throughout the album. Contraband is set to be released on May 25 and is a joint release with Ghetto Youths International and Bebel Rock Records. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.